Smart packing. Travel light and right. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to talk about a very handy skill, especially for those of you who love to travel. We're exploring what it means to pack smart. Whether you're jetting off for a weekend getaway or planning a month-long tour, knowing how to pack smart can save you a lot of hassle. So, let's dive in and learn how to make the most of your luggage space. Pack smart is a phrase that suggests packing in a way that is efficient, organized, and strategic. It means taking along everything you need while avoiding excess baggage. When you pack smart, you're not just throwing things into your suitcase. You're making thoughtful decisions about what to bring and how to fit it all together. This phrase can be a lifesaver for travelers who want to avoid extra fees for overweight luggage or who need to move around easily. Packing smart has numerous benefits. It allows for easier mobility, which is essential if you're navigating through airports, train stations, or busy city streets. It also leads to less stress, since you won't be overburdened by too many bags or unable to find what you need. Financially, it can mean lower travel costs, as many airlines charge for checked bags or overweight luggage. Lastly, it encourages a minimalist approach to travel, where you learn to make do with less and find that you often don't need as much as you think. Here are some practical tips to help you pack smart. 1. Make a packing list. Before you start throwing things into your suitcase, make a list. This helps you to remember the essentials and to avoid packing unnecessary items. 2. Choose versatile clothing. Opt for clothes that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Neutral colors are usually a good choice. 3. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes can save space and prevent wrinkles. It's a technique favored by many travel experts. 4. Use packing cubes. These small, lightweight bags help to organize your suitcase and can compress your clothes to save space. 5. Wear your bulkiest items. To save space in your luggage, wear the largest shoes and heaviest clothing items on your travel day. 6. Limit your shoes. Shoes can take up a lot of space. Bring one casual pair, one dressy pair, and maybe a pair of sandals or flip-flops, depending on the destination. 7. Sample-sized toiletries. Instead of full-sized bottles, go for travel-sized toiletries or use small containers to take just what you need. 8. Leave room for souvenirs. If you plan on bringing back gifts or souvenirs, make sure to leave extra space in your luggage for these items. Thank you for watching. We hope these insights and tips on how to pack smart will make your next trip a lot smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, smart packing is all about making the most out of the least, taking everything you need without overloading yourself. Happy travels! And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips and English language learning content. See you in the next video.